The Samsung Galaxy A56 is a smartphone that offers an impressive combination of features, making it a great choice for users looking for a premium experience without breaking the bank. One of its standout features is the expansive 6.65-inch Super AMOLED display, which provides vivid colors, deep blacks, and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming, video streaming, and general navigation. Its full HD Plus resolution ensures sharp and detailed visuals, elevating everything from watching movies to reading text. Performance-wise, the A56 is powered by the advanced Exynos 1580 chipset, designed to handle multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications seamlessly. This is complemented by 8 GB of RAM, ensuring lag-free operation and smooth transitions between apps. For storage, the device offers ample space with configurations up to 256 GB, expandable via a microSD card, making it suitable for users who need room for photos, videos, and other large files. Photography enthusiasts will find the A56 particularly appealing due to its versatile quad camera system. The 64-megapixel primary sensor captures crisp and detailed photos, while the 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens is ideal for breathtaking landscapes and group shots. Additionally, the 8-megapixel telephoto lens enables impressive zoom capabilities without compromising image quality, and the 2-megapixel depth sensor enhances portrait shots with natural-looking background blur. On the front, a 32-megapixel camera ensures high-quality selfies and clear video calls, appealing to social media users and professionals alike. Battery life is another major advantage, as the 5,500 mAh battery can easily last through a full day of heavy usage. When it's time to recharge, the inclusion of 45W fast charging ensures you're back up and running in no time, significantly reducing downtime. The design of the Galaxy A56 adds to its appeal, featuring a sleek glass back and a durable metal frame that give it a premium look and feel. It's available in a range of stylish colors, catering to users with different tastes. The device runs on Android 15, paired with Samsung's One UI 7.1, offering a user-friendly interface with a wealth of customization options and the latest software features. Samsung has also committed to offering up to 6 years of software and security updates, ensuring the A56 remains relevant and secure for years to come, a feature that makes it stand out in its price range. Connectivity options are equally impressive, with support for 5G providing faster data speeds for streaming and downloads, Wi-Fi 6 for improved wireless connectivity in crowded networks, and Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless pairing with accessories like earbuds and smartwatches. Other practical features include an in-display fingerprint scanner for secure and convenient unlocking, stereo speakers for immersive audio, and IP68 water and dust resistance, adding durability and peace of mind. The Galaxy A56 also supports Samsung Pay, enabling secure contactless payments, and comes with a range of pre-installed Samsung ecosystem apps for enhanced productivity and entertainment. Whether you're a student, professional, or tech enthusiast, the Samsung Galaxy A56 caters to diverse needs with its balanced mix of performance, design, and long-term reliability. It strikes an excellent balance between affordability and premium features, making it a standout choice in the crowded mid-range smartphone market.